Hello, and welcome to another entertaining edition of Arizona Drunken. This is my friend Kevin Shirley. Okay? He only makes this sound. It's really quiet. It's hard to hear when he's hungry. What we like to do is we like to wedge a pita right there, right up under his chin. Okay? And see, it kind of wakes him up and it gets him hungry. Gets him hungry. So we remove the pita from under its chin and slowly insert into an orifice called the mouth. And see, he eats it. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. It had mayonnaise. It had mayonnaise. Oh, this is Lee's pita. This is Lee's pita. We have Kevin's pita right here. This is Kevin's pita. And Kevin didn't like Lee's pita, so we like to wedge it under his chin, get him warmed up. We like to warm him up, and then he goes in for a bite. And he goes, oh, he doesn't like that one either. Oh, it's got mayonnaise too. It's got mayonnaise. So we're gonna have to resort to the third pita. We'll see if it's not even near his mouth. He's already swatting it away. It looks like Kevin doesn't. Does he? Oh yes, he's hungry. I can see him taking a bite. He wants it. He wants one bite. It's a hungry bite. Where's your big bite? He doesn't want a bite of this pita either. He doesn't want a bite of this pita either. Anyway, so it's Kevin. We'll just wedge a burrito like we did it before. We'll leave him like that. Tomorrow morning, this pita will be down this and into his belly.